Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at Deranged Haunted House in Romulus, Michigan, not far from Detroit. This is an outdoor trail with kind of a cityscape theme. Each year the theme evolves, new characters come in, and there is an absolute boatload of Easter eggs, both relevant to the haunt and to various pop culture references. So definitely keep your eyes peeled all the way through here. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get some scares.
This is the brand new mall that was built by Conwell. He is the new mayor hopeful. As you can see on our tickets, it is Conwell versus Kalloway. The old mayor is much more ingrained with the history and the townsfolk of the town. He's much more in touch with old Greg and the Gordon family farm that you will see out there. It is an election year, so please pay attention and figure out who you want to vote for by the end of the night.
We got it.
All right, let's do it.
Tammy's in the lead.
Just one thing. Huh? Have fun and spend all the camera guys' money.
Okay.
All
we can
right.
do that.
I can do that. This is on your dime.
All right. I don't have any more dimes. I got a camera.
I was just getting ready to read that.
Hi there.
Oh God.
How's it going?
Great.
I'm janitor. I'm the new janitor here at this here mall that Conwell just built. Oh man, I love Conwell for giving me this great opportunity working here, man.
Yeah.
Vote for Conwell. He's a great man.
Vote for Conway.
Okay.
Conway.
Conway.
I just cleaned it.
Send your dirty up the floor.
Watch your step, man. Hey.
Don't
Oh,
stuff
man.
his floor. Crazy eyes looking at me.
Oh God, what in the world?
Do you see the crazy eyes?
Yes, I see the crazy eyes.
Uh-oh. Oh, God, look at the crazy
Oh
eyes.
my God.
That's terrible.
Crazy eyes.
Make sure you don't vote for Kalloway, though.
Kalloway.
Kalloway's a very, very bad man. He wants to destroy this mall, which destroys my job and his.
no.
That ain't
You
good
vote
at
for
all.
Kalloway?
Yes.
No!
No?
You're voting for Conwell!
I'm gonna get so
Conwell.
confused.
Which one of them?
Remember one thing. Conwell does well, like how we built this well.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Thank you.
That's a well. It's more like a fountain.
Clear this right now. What's wrong with
There's
you?
still
What's wrong
one
with
here.
you? Become the next mayor, man.
Why don't you worry about that?
Oh, shit.
I don't want a chance.
Yeah,
Oh,
you need to clean the tray.
What you mean? What's wrong
The
with
tray's
The tray
filthy.
needs...
Don't tell the man how to do his job.
It's moldy.
It adds to the flavor. Now just don't tell my boss where I'm going, okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh! What
There's
was
the
that?
problem.
Did you guys check in with the security guard booth?
We did. Yes, they gave us these badges.
Your badges are here to see Conwell or Kalloway.
Yes.
Kalloway.
Conwell, all the way.
Conwell.
Oh, this looks up to code.
I don't want to touch it. That's why I don't want to touch it.
You're shocking.
That was electrifying.
It was.
What is going on down here?
Wow. Guess we're going into this.
We're
Probably
going
not a
into.
schedule.
Oh!
What the heck?
A hard hat come flying out of there.
That's not good.
Oh no.
Sorry. That's mine.
Oh,
Oh, it's
Yeah.
yours?
Oh, thank you. I appreciate
you're
it.
supposed to wear that.
We thought some got chewed up and spit out.
Yeah. So welcome to the sewer.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you.
It kind of smells like Dookie in here, so that's my bad.
Oh.
It does smell like Dookie real bad.
Oh God,
It's
it's
bad.
getting worse, man.
Yeah.
Oh.
Could you do something about that?
I wish I could, but
Oh.
Okay.
It's great. It made us all a little I don't mean to name drop, but deranged, you know.
Dear-
Okay,
oh, I
okay,
understand.
great,
I
yeah.
understand. It's the
Poopy
methane.
and it
That's,
smells like poopy.
Yeah.
oh God.
Yeah, sorry.
That's the methane. Oh God.
I didn't even
It
know
took
anything.
Tammy. Where'd she
Your
go?
presence was enough.
Your
Oh, okay.
presents.
I got you. I like presents.
I do too.
Yeah.
Mambo.
Oh, it's a carnival. Mambo's Madhouse. Oh, Mambo.
Oh.
There you go.
Those aren't tickets. I need tickets for the carnival.
We gave tickets to the people up front.
That's not the carnival ticket.
That's not what
Okay,
they...
I have a friend. You can make a deal with Mr. Sinister.
Mr. Sinister.
Make a
Pay in
deal?
advance. It's fine.
Is Sinister a clown? I don't make deals with clowns.
Oh, going into
Come on, yeah. Where's Mambo number 5?
the clown mouth.
Well.
We got it here. Oh,
Oh! This is my favorite spot.
That's
I
Oh,
understand.
it's my favorite spot.
You get to look at yourself?
Yeah, I get to look at myself.
Oh, yeah.
here's the dark
Herb and Dirk
ride.
Brothers.
Oh, they got a dark ride?
Step right up to Mr. Sinister's Dungeon of Terror.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's so cool.
This is totally fun.
Oh, It's so cool.
Poor little fella.
Oh, he's so nostalgic.
He lost his head.
He lost his head. Oh, he did. He found it at least.
He's holding his own head.
Aww.
How unfortunate.
Hi, little guy.
Hey! Oh, the skeleton's talking!
The skeleton's
Hey,
talking.
You look a little tied up there. They didn't feed you enough, did they? Yeah,
let's go.
Come on, let's go. Okay, we'll find the key.
Well, look. Oh, look at that.
Oh, big reaper guy.
What's
Somebody
talking?
back here. Oh God. I think somebody just died. Oh, the Hallow Hills Cemetery. Oh, it's a froggy cemetery. Oh God.
Oh, gosh.
Oh,
Okay.
God.
All right.
Oh God. Oh, nope, no, I'm not breathing in the cemetery gases.
Conway's a con man.
Well, that says Conwell.
Or Conwell.
Conwell.
Vote what? Kalloway.
Conwell is a con man. Vote Kalloway. Uh-oh. So Deranged actually used to be a home haunt also, so it's really cool to see that they've come this far and turned pro.
The mall should be torn down. I'm the one who cries. Yes.
Oh.
It's for the cause.
Kalloway.
Nope.
That's it, my man.
Nope,
That's
nope.
it. Worship all of us.
Uh-oh.
I don't know if I vote for him.
Oh, Kalloway Crypt.
Oh. Does that mean he's dead?
Or it's at least where his family is.
Are we voting for a zombie?
Maybe.
Oh,
Oh.
hello.
Uh-oh. Congregation. Oh, it's a church. Oh, man.
What domination are we?
Domination, I like her stuff.
Not dominoes, denomination.
Inside, say prayers to above.
Oh.
Um.
Oh, man. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh, my. I don't... No, I heard the Santanas. I don't think that's good.
Oh my God.
He's got a deep, nasty voice back there. Oh, God.
Into camp.
Oh,
Welcome,
now we've arrived at
campers.
Camp Zika. Oh, God, it smells real bad in here, too.
Smells like a gym locker room.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, that is what it sounds like.
It's terrible.
A locker room.
Ow!
Let's go! Oh my God.
We're gonna do some yoga stretches.
Oh, God, there. Oh, God. Oh,
Her
God.
down there.
Look out.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Give me the
touch
her
me.
down there.
Oh, God. Just come out of the wall.
Dude, that thing was moving.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh, God.
Uh-oh.
He's following us. He's, oh, God.
The squatch is squatching.
Oh, God.
Give him this Jack Legs beef turkey. Feed your wild side.
Oh my God.
Feed it.
Oh, God. He's angry. Ah. Somebody give him a Snickers.
You're not you when you're hungry. That must be hard to make.
Oh, God. Uh-oh.
What's he got in his mouth?
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, what's he doing?
You don't want to wake old Greg up. That's the station.
Greg.
I brought the Bailey.
You don't want to...
Baileys, yeah, he's been drinking too many of those.
Uh-oh.
He's going to do that deja voodoo.
Deja
Go down there.
Bailey.
Have a good stay there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, deja voodoo.
We're going to knock on the voodoo door.
Okay.
That's the Bailey side of the show.
Let's see if there's
This
anybody in
one,
there.
the door. Knock on it.
That's what he said.
Girls.
Oh, yeah,
But don't worry, out, boys, coming 2025, major count.
they do. Oh, changing things up a little bit.
Camp Zika.
Yeah, thanks.
Anybody have any bug spray?
No. It looks like you're a little late on that.
That looks like poison ivy.
It's a little too late for bug spray.
Bug spray ain't gonna touch that. Ooh.
This looks like a hell of a gas station.
Yes, it does.
Man, prices are really high.
Check out those prices.
They're so high.
They are very high.
They're so high.
They're
That
downright.
took me a
They're
second.
high, and that diesel is downright demonic.
All right.
It was supposed to be a shell, but it lost the S.
Oh, I see now.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I said, oh, God.
Whoa.
Where'd you come from?
From the side.
Got a bit of a underbite,
Look at all
huh?
these pumpkins here. See any?
Oh, he fixed it.
Look at- Yeah.
He fixed his
He turned that
jaw.
frown upside down.
Do, 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 do. We're going into a little house and is that oh my god, that's a really old TV. Look, Nora. Ew, no, it's a spiky. Yuck.
He come out of the woodwork.
Watch his bum rub.
Oh my god, there's somebody back there. Holy cow. They came out.
God.
And right
Hey,
oh,
no
they're
dusting.
trying to dust us.
We're good. We don't need dusting. Ah.
Oh, Lord.
Y'all see my pig? Where's my pig?
Pig?
I lost my pig. I can't
Oh, it's
find
right
it.
there. It's right there.
Oh, dear Lord.
You've already.
Oh, my poor pig.
He's already done.
Oh,
He
I
is
know where the
making.
pig went.
Yeah.
Found the pig.
I want to make you look like me.
I don't know.
I'll be a pumpkin.
Nora volunteers.
I'll volunteer. I'll look like one of these.
Oh, all the pumpkin guts.
Like that one.
And I got just the tool.
Uh-oh. What?
Oh,
Oh,
God.
no.
That ain't good.
It's a pumpkin with a chainsaw.
It takes
Oh,
off.
shoot.
That's right.
Oh, God.
It's not
Pumpkin
friendly.
takes off. Oh. No.
Oh, yeah, we'll get cards later.
We'll bring more pumpkins back later.
We love pumpkins.
Well, who's everybody voting for?
I don't know. I don't know who's the bad guy.
I don't either.
Yeah,
Well,
I don't
the
know
one,
who we're voting for.
The one back there with the black arts was probably a no-go.
That's the Kalloway, I think. Hey, I don't know if we'd vote for Kalloway. He's
I don't know.
He's a little
I think
sus.
Yeah, for sure. I'm voting for the pumpkin.
The pumpkin?
Yeah, the pumpkin.
The pumpkin for
gets
mayor.
my vote,
Pumpkin for
too.
mayor.
The pumpkin was great.
Or the Sasquatch. The Sasquatch might get it.
Yeah, the Sasquatch was pretty neat.
All right, be sure to comment who you would vote for and let us know how many of those Easter eggs you guys found. Now we're going to a couple of haunts up here in Michigan. I'm gonna link you to Erebus right here. That's a really big one here in Detroit area also. Be sure to check them out too. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.